What if your lessons could change based on how you learn? Or your homework could be checked automatically before class even starts? That's not a dream anymore. That's AI transforming education in real time. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll explore how AI is reshaping education, making it more personalized, efficient, and inclusive for learners everywhere. AI can track how students study, which topics they struggle with, and how fast they learn. Then, it customizes lessons for each student, just like a private tutor who never gets tired. With AI, assignments can be graded automatically, and feedback appears instantly. This helps students fix mistakes right away and gives teachers more time to focus on real learning. AI breaks barriers for students with disabilities or language differences. It can read text aloud, translate instantly, or adjust visuals for easier understanding. AI tools are also helping teachers create smarter classrooms, tracking participation, suggesting lessons, and even predicting when students might need extra help. Of course, AI isn't perfect. We still need to handle privacy carefully and make sure technology supports, not replaces, human teachers. Have you ever used an AI app like Duolingo or Grammarly to study? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know how AI helps you learn. AI isn't here to take over classrooms. It's here to make learning smarter, fair, and more creative for everyone. In our next episode, we'll explore how AI is changing art, music, and creative expression. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay curious with me.